Did you know your Windows PC has a hidden feature that can save everything you copy? It's called Clipboard History, and once you learn how to use it, you'll never go back to the old way of copy and paste. Normally, when you copy something with Ctrl+C, Windows only remembers the last item. As soon as you copy something new, the old one is gone. But with Clipboard History, Windows keeps a whole list of the things you've copied, texts, links, even images, and lets you reuse them anytime. So how do you turn it on? It's simple. Press Windows+V on your keyboard. The first time you do this, Windows will ask you to enable Clipboard History. Just click Turn On, and from that moment, everything you copy will be saved in the clipboard list. Now here's the fun part. Anytime you want to paste something, just press Windows+V again. Instead of pasting only the last item, you'll see a panel with all your recent clips. You can scroll through them and click the one you want to paste. Let's say you copied a phone number, a link, and a password earlier. With Clipboard History, you don't have to copy them one by one. Just hit Windows+V, pick what you need, and paste it instantly. But it gets even better. If there's something you use all the time, like an email address or a common phrase, you can pin it in the clipboard so it never gets deleted. That way, it's always ready whenever you need it. Clipboard History also syncs across devices if you're signed into your Microsoft account. That means you can copy something on your desktop and paste it on your laptop. Super handy for students, office workers, or anyone who uses multiple PCs. And if you ever want to clear it for privacy, you can easily wipe the history in the clipboard settings. So, the next time you're copying and pasting, remember, Windows+V is the shortcut that transforms your clipboard into a powerful productivity tool. Once you try it, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.